Devin says that his brand new M4 already has a misfire, which obviously isn't good. So as you guys know, Devin just got this car and he was using it, for lack of better terms, and he discovered that the car apparently has a misfire. He said that the car started to buck, stutter, shake, etc. And I don't know if you guys recall this, but in Soli, I had the same issue whenever I was like top of 5th gear. So the car would start to stutter, and that's how I discovered one of my injectors were bad. Car was misfiring high up there. I changed the injectors, problem solved, never had it again. But I mean, Devin says the same scenario is causing the misfire in this car. Now I can't confirm whether or not this car has a misfire because I haven't driven this car. And that's because it's not my car and I'm not gonna take it up there until it's returned to the stock tune, because it still has a stock crank hub. Realistically, the last thing I need to do is open this thing up all the way and then have the crank hub go whoosh. If Devin were here and he wanted to drive it like that, then by all means, go ahead. It's not my car.